G'day DIYs, it's Crusoe. Here I'm just cutting an easy round hole for the toilet pipe that comes out through the cistern. See how I went? You always go in on an angle, and then once you're confident that you've got an edge, like it's going in a little bit to your tile, you can then flatten it out and start moving it around. I didn't talk as I was going because it's a little bit hard to hear, and a few couch potatoes have complained that they're not able to hear, so I'm talking with the grinder off. So that's how you do it, folks. We'll see you soon.